How to use Cut on YouCut Video Editor app. First, I'll show you how to use Cut, and I'll also show you later on a rather more flexible way in using Cut in a different method if you are new to using YouCut Editor app. So let's just say you have one video here, and there's a part of it that you want to cut out. Now, in order to do this here, you'll go to Trim as you would usually do. And you're going to see Trim, Cut, and Split. And now you want to cut out a part of the video that you don't want. So as soon as you tap on Cut, this is going to happen. You're going to notice that your video now has this separated part, and you're wondering, okay, what's happening? So this is exactly what's happening right now. Whatever is in orange is what you are going to keep. And whatever is not highlighted is what's going to get cut out as soon as you press this check mark here. So I'll show you now. I'll press the check mark, and you're going to notice that this part and this part is saved. And I'll press the check mark here just so you can have an idea of how that looks. Notice my video is a lot smaller now, and the video is a lot shorter when I'm playing it because it just cut out the middle part. Look at how this thing just kind of switches right there. So the middle part just was removed using that cut. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this, and you can always use the undo tool every time you make a mistake before you save it, right? So we'll go back to cut again. So let's just say we go back to trim and we see cut. Now you can go ahead and pull on these orange circles here. And by doing this, you're telling YouCut that on this particular video clip, you just want to remove this little part here. So you're just cutting out this little part here. Or maybe you want to just remove the beginning area here. Maybe you just want to remove this little part here. And once you press the check mark, you are literally cutting out a part of the video, okay? And you can see there is this little separation right here in that gray there. And this is gonna appear in gray when it's less than 0.1 seconds, all right? And again, if you made any mistakes, undo it. Now, here's how you can actually control how you cut your video parts out, or also known as deleting a video part. And in order to do this, simply wherever you are on your video right now, wherever this orange bar is, this orange bar right here is, once you tap on your video, you'll notice these tools will appear. And this split is the same as the one that you find in trim. So what you're gonna do is, let's say I wanna cut from here to here. You're gonna first tap on split. That's my first separation. Then I'll tap again and bring over this orange bar to the end part of which I want to cut out or delete. So I'll tap here again. These tools are going to show up, and then split. Now, when I tap here, I have a 3 separation, and I want to cut out this part here. So what I'm going to do is tap here, the middle part. These will appear again, and I'm going to go to delete. Delete and cut functions the same way. Once you have this selected, you press delete, you are cutting out that part you don't want. And again, any mistakes, undo, but make sure you undo before you save. And that is that. Like and sub.